Alright, let's break down exactly how the Space Shuttle launch worked, step by step. So, picture this. It's launch day at Kennedy Space Center. The shuttle is standing tall on the pad, attached to a massive orange fuel tank. Two huge white rocket boosters flank it, but the shuttle itself, it's basically a high-tech glider strapped to a flying fuel tank. First things first, the countdown. When the clock hits T-minus 6 seconds, the shuttle's three main engines roar to life, sucking in liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen from that big orange tank. But here's the cool part. They're not going anywhere just yet. The engines actually fire while the shuttle is still clamped down, just to make sure everything's working perfectly. At T0, the real action kicks in. The solid rocket boosters ignite with a colossal flash. These things burn powdered fuel and can't be turned off once they're lit. The clamps release and boom! The shuttle and its boosters leap off the pad, accelerating straight up. Now those solid rockets do the heavy lifting at the start. They're responsible for about 80% of the force that gets the shuttle off the ground. The whole stack is tilting, rolling, and adjusting course to reach the right orbit. It's not just straight up, they're curving eastward, chasing the speed they need to stay in space. In just 2 minutes, they burn through all their fuel and are jettisoned, dropped into the Atlantic, where they're later retrieved and reused. Meanwhile, the shuttle's main engines are still firing, drawing fuel from that big tank. At around 8.5 minutes after launch, the shuttle is high above the Earth, traveling over 17,000 miles per hour. The main engines finally cut off. The big orange fuel tank, it's jettisoned too, burning up as it falls back through the atmosphere. Now only the shuttle itself remains in orbit, ready to do its job, deploying satellites, repairing the Hubble telescope, or building the International Space Station. And the whole launch sequence? It's a perfectly timed ballet of engineering, fuel, and raw power, all designed to give humans a ride to space and bring them home again. So, next time you see a clip of the shuttle launching, remember, it's not just a rocket taking off. It's a complex step-by-step process that took thousands of people and a whole lot of science to pull off. If you thought that was cool, imagine what's coming next in space travel.